The 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe 4-door is a hidden gem in the world of classic cars. Many enthusiasts recognize the Coronet name, but the Deluxe 4-door variant from 1966 holds a unique place in automotive history. It's not just rare, it's a piece of art that reflects an era when cars were more than just transportation, they were statements of style and power. Imagine owning a car that very few people have even seen in person. That's the magic of the 1966 Coronet Deluxe. This car represents the height of mid-60s American automotive design. Dodge didn't just build cars, they built legends, and the Coronet Deluxe is no exception. Its bold lines, sleek chrome accents, and unmistakable grille made it a standout vehicle in its time. Even today, it turns heads wherever it goes. The 4-door configuration adds a layer of practicality that's rare in collectible muscle cars, making it a unique blend of power and utility. Under the hood, the Coronet Deluxe was available with a range of engine options, including the famous 318 V8 and the 383 Magnum. These engines weren't just powerful, they were reliable workhorses that could deliver serious performance. The sound of the engine roaring to life is a symphony for any car enthusiast. Driving one of these is like stepping back in time, a reminder of when cars had real personality. The interior of the 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe was just as impressive. With its spacious design and premium materials, it offered comfort and style that appealed to families and enthusiasts alike. The dashboard featured a clean, functional layout with elegant touches that reflected the craftsmanship of the era. Even the smallest details, like the stitching on the seats and the placement of the controls, showed Dodge's commitment to excellence. What makes the Coronet Deluxe 4-door even more special today is its rarity. In a world where most people focus on 2-door muscle cars, this 4-door variant stands out as a collector's dream. Finding one in good condition is like discovering a treasure chest from the past. Restoring and preserving these cars has become a passion for enthusiasts who understand their value. Each one tells a story of an era when American cars ruled the road. Owning a 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe isn't just about having a classic car, it's about preserving history. It's about celebrating the ingenuity and artistry of a time when every car was a masterpiece. Imagine taking this car to a classic car show and watching people gather around, admiring its unique design and impeccable restoration. It's not just a car, it's a conversation starter, a head-turner, and a symbol of automotive excellence. For those lucky enough to own or find one, the Coronet Deluxe 4-door is a priceless gem. Its combination of rarity, performance, and style makes it a must-have for any serious collector. If you're a fan of classic cars or someone who appreciates the golden age of American muscle, the 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe 4-door deserves a place on your radar. So the next time you see a classic car cruise by, remember the 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe 4-door. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history, a reminder of an era when cars were built to last and designed to inspire. This rare beauty is a testament to Dodge's legacy and a timeless symbol of what makes classic cars so special. If you ever get the chance to see or own one, consider yourself part of an exclusive club that truly understands the magic of automotive history.